Hi everyone, my name is Mike Mello. I'm a realtor and broker associate at Preferred Real Estate Brokers. I'm here today with Stacy, who's also a realtor at Preferred Real Estate Brokers, and we're in Ocala Preserve, which is just south of Gainesville. We're going to show you this home behind us, and Stacy's going to tell us a little bit about the community and living in Ocala as well. The home behind us is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home with 1,504 square feet, and we're in February of 2023, and this home is under $300,000. It's $285,000. They have 3 inventory homes. They're available at $285,000. Now this home is a model home, so it has a couple little upgrades that you might not see in those inventory homes, but overall, what you see in this house is what you'll get for that price point. So Stacy, go ahead and take us on a tour of this home.
Okay, thank you, Mike. So as Mike said, this is a 1,504 square foot home, 3-bedroom, 2-bath. We'll start with the garage out here. It's got the nice blue shaker shingles over top that really accent well with the white walls. Got the nice brick detail here. Stone, not brick, detail here. And that carries through right into the entryway, which we've got a covered entryway, window to your laundry room, stone throughout, and then of course the door complements the front of the house. So let's go inside and check out this house. Okay, welcome home. So we're gonna start up in the front of this house because it's set up a little bit different than some standard houses. We've got your laundry utility area up here, washer and dryer right in here. And then your garage, which is a 2-car garage, is right off of the main entryway here. You can come in and drop. We've got the entry foyer area here. You can come in and drop all of your keys and such right here. And then we'll proceed into the main living. Standing in the entryway, looking through, you kind of have a straight shoot to the main living area. Bedrooms are over there, and we've got a nice dining area here. This seats 6 people very comfortably. They have, again, not the standard for this community, but they have done accents with the trim on the wall just to customize it a little bit. That's something you could do later on after you've moved into the house. We've got ceramic tile flooring throughout in this house. It's gray. If you proceed this way, we have 2 bedrooms and then a shared bath for them. We'll start in this bedroom. Got plenty of room for a bed, nice big window with natural light, a closet here. They have, of course, in this house done some upgrades. This is probably a one-day do-it-yourself type of project. Throw some wallpaper up, a little trim, and you've got a really pretty accented room. Carpet in the bedrooms. You can see we transition from main living, carpet in each bedroom, tile throughout the main living space. This bedroom, also lots of natural light with a closet here, plenty of room for your bed. They have also done some wood trim moldings here, a little bit of paint to accent the walls and just give it a little bit of a cozy feel. So this bathroom here is the bathroom that everyone shares for the main house. The 2 bedrooms share it, and then if you have guests over, it's a guest bathroom. Ceramic tile, nice cabinetry gray with a pretty warm accented countertop, solid surface. You got your mirror there, of course your toilet, and you've got your shower here with the higher tile, giving you that feeling of height in the room and making it feel much more open. All right, so let's proceed to the main living area. We're gonna start with the kitchen area here. It's got a really functional layout. Got your refrigerator here, plenty of cabinetry space up above it. Nice solid surface countertops again, very warm feeling this house. Lots of depth to the colors. Got your microwave, you got your range, and then of course storage all throughout, and of course your dishwasher. Sink looking out to the back there, gives you a nice view, makes it feel nice and open. If that is not enough cabinetry space for you, you do have a pantry right here. Plenty of room to throw anything you need in there, and you won't have to run to the grocery store. All right, main living room, family room. Got a wall over here for your TV, your console and such, your sofa here, and then you can see it, of course, in the kitchen too, which is really great. Big sliders on the back, gives you that open, light, bright feeling. This is a very active community in Ocala. Lots of outdoor activities. We are just north of Ocala, and we've got, on this community alone, we've got hiking trails, they've got canoeing. You can fish and catch and release, and they have tennis and many other activities. They have a great clubhouse here and tons of clubs like most of the communities here. So let's proceed into the master bedroom suite. We transition again to carpet. Really nice sized bedroom for 1,504 square foot house. You've got a great walk-in closet over here. Plenty of room probably for anything you need to put in there. And obviously they've got a king size bed in here. They did, again, another day project. You can paint one of the walls to accent it, and they have chosen to do that in this room, and of course it complements everything pretty nicely. All right, and finally the master bath. We have got 2 sinks, cabinetry that matches throughout the house, and a warm countertop that also ties into the rest of the house. Your toilet area is over here, so it's private. And then you have a walk-in shower here. So again, this is Stacy Race with Preferred Real Estate Brokers. If you have any questions about real estate or active communities in Ocala or the Gainesville area, please give us a call at 407-487-3030 and we'll be glad to answer your questions. Thank you. Have a great day.